shit. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you are new here. Hi, my name is Jaydah. Today I'm on my way to Strawberry Hills, the hotel. We're staying there today. We have got a few nights booking there, so I'm going to be showing you guys the check-in process. I've never actually done a vlog or a video showing you guys what actually happens at check-in. And for the people that have never been to a hotel, I thought that it would be an interesting vlog just to actually show you guys what actually happens at check-in. So that's what this vlog will be about, basically just me checking into Strawberry Hill. So as the way the car is swinging, you guys can already tell that I'm up in the hills. We're just going through the terrains now. So I'm going to show you guys a bit about the journey. We're actually just checking out of Montego Bay. We stayed at our hotel there, and I had an Airbnb partnership, so I just wanted to say a huge shout out to you guys for showing so much love on my recent content, because it's only because of you guys why I'm able to do the stuff that I'm doing right now. So thank you to everybody that continues to love, like, and engage into my content. But yeah, let me show you guys the terrain. It's very bleaky today, like it's gonna rain. I'm wearing a maxi dress today, but I had to tie it up because I was wearing heels and it just kept getting ripped in my heels. So I just tied it up, and plus it's very rainy in Kingston today, so yeah, it's just easier. And I actually want to wear my heels, so I'm gonna put them on once we get out the cab. We just made a few pit stops to get a few bottles. Let me show you guys what we got. I'll show you guys the bottles that we got in a minute. So guys, because we don't have an all-inclusive stay at Strawberry Hill, we're just getting some food. So at the moment we're just heading to Cafe Blue, and I'll show you guys what that is in a minute. I've had a few meals here. To drink or something from no? So guys, I'm just at Cafe Blue now, and this is what inside the restaurant looks like. Let me see the menu. Yep, this is a chill spot. And then this is the view from the restaurant. Check-in was 3 p.m. and we're arriving at 4:22 because we just went on a few little stops to get a bit of food. I got some Jamaican chicken foot soup. I think it's just chicken soup, and I got some white rice and curry goat. I'll show you guys in a minute. Oh gosh. Thank you. Yeah. We're going on to the Kingston. Guys, I need to show you guys my outfit. We just do
So we'll give guys back one for infamous bathroom punches.
free.
It's complimentary with the.
Is that rum punch? Okay,
It's if it's famous. Yeah, could I have one, please?
Because
Yeah.
it's the best.
Really? Ooh. Let's test that out. Let's see what the rum punch is saying. I'll show you guys my outfit quickly. So I'm wearing this beautiful dress. I've had this dress for ages, probably about a good 4 years now. I've just been sitting on it. I think the last time I wore it was 2 years ago when I came to Jamaica. I was going to Ocean with my friends, but yeah. This is the dress. I think I just got it from one of them random Instagram boutiques. I've actually tied it at the front. It goes long, like past my ankles long. But I tied it because it was rainy in Kingston and I didn't want to drag it on the floor. And then I was wearing heels as well. My heels is in the bag. I'll probably put on my heels for the room tour before we change. Oh, I think our little car is here.
So also I just need a copy of you guys' IDs and the credit card on file, please.
I got some chicken soup. So yummy. This is a nice appetizer for the evening. Do we get a choice in what room we have?
It's already what?
Wow, that's painful. That is very painful to hear.
What's up here?
Nice view, my guys. Good things. Another best. Look at your face.
No, I'm just trying to
Yeah,
remember,
do you remember?
because it's 4 rooms that are there, so
Okay.
I'm there, so I'm just trying to.
So vlogging are going.
It's your view, that's it. Come on.
Let's see the view, guys. Come in, I want to pop down, girl. For them bag of money. I need good things. I can't spend this much money and not get a nice view. That would be crazy. Me need the best of the best, girl. The creme de la creme. Me's one of you. Don't make the accent fool you. We need the good things then. Please and songs. You want to say hi to my vlog?
Okay, sure. Hello.
Hey vlog world, my name is JayDahTalks by the way on YouTube. Don't go subscribe. You won't regret it. Change your life also. Yeah. You want to tell them a bit about Strawberry Hill? How long you been working here? You like the place?
3 months.
Okay,
I'm
welcome.
quite new,
Mm-hmm.
so this is still new for me, and it's pretty nice. Because,
Yeah.
well, apart from the nature where you have the little bugs and the frogs.
Look, are those private owned homes over there? This stuff my head hurt me, you know. Oh, this is a nice view. Me can't complain. Me can't complain. Me can't complain. Okay, we have all of this to view, guys.
I have to turn
Thank you so much.
all of this side is
Oh, we don't have the food. We should have asked him to take it on.
have it.
Oh, he has them? Great.
Ooh, not the key.
Okay.
I'll have to turn back for that.
Oh, he got us some rum punch. He got us some rum punch. These are the famous ones apparently, so let's put it to the test in a minute. And we got some champagne, so it should be a good night. So guys, I am now here. This is my room. Let me come back up just to take you guys there with me because I'm speechless. Strawberry Hill, and again take all of my money. All of the people have money coming out of it. So this is our room. We are in the Thames. And then this is the entrance to the room. We're looking down on Kingston and St. Andrew from where we are. So life I live, God never made me for suffer. God never made me for depressed. I have anxiety and all them stuff. But God made me for live my good life, bruv, and such. Yeah. Yeah. That's a girl to live. I'm going to catch the niceness, love. What's my happy to tell? Guys, the minute you step on Strawberry Hill property, you can just feel relaxed. I'm gonna ask them for another round. Look at this our buzz. I may have to do the room tour tomorrow because I need to indulge in all of this goodness. Wow, this is our room. This is our room for the night, guys. I'm vlogging, babe. Wow, is this down outside this? We can go down here too? Other people things. Oh.
I don't guess I've seen.
What? So these are two. This is one room up top and one room. Oh.
Yeah. And this is
One up.
here, and then the other one underneath.
Okay. Let me see. Thank you. How do we get a refill of the rum punch? Just go back up and ask the bar. Okay, that's fine. Where do we get the menu? Is it in the room?
On your phone. That's where I saw that.
Okay, thank you. And then just order to Tim too? They do room service?
Room service, call the number 277 room service. Or you could call the number 200 where you get me and I'll transfer you to.
So 200 to get you, yeah? Okay, I'll call you. Thank you. Cheers. Wow. Do it like it's my B-Day, baby. Do it like it's my B-Day. Do it like it's my B-Day, baby. Ooh. I don't know if my room is better.
But we broke the seal now.
Ooh. Jesus is Lord. Let me pop the screen. Let me pop the screen because Jesus is Lord. I'm gonna have to FaceTime my friends and just show them. I don't even have nothing to say. I'm just calling and showing them.
Nephew, what's up,
So
nephew?
everybody can live the life with me.
Check this out, nephew.
Guys, we're all checked in now. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick video of me doing the check-in process. Basically, what usually happens at check-in is they take your information, they scan your passport or your identification documents. You also have to put your card that you use the booking on the system. So they will take your credit card details or your debit card, scan it on, and then anything that you need to pay or if anything gets broken or so forth, it will be deducted from that card. They'll also go through the hotel rules, let you know if you need to do reservations for dinner and so forth, let you know what's accessible and what's available to you. So yeah, that's usually what happens. This is the dress. What's this now? I'm going to take out my dress. I'm change. I can't match up my dress. Okay. I'm gonna enjoy the room now, so I'll talk to you guys later. I don't know when I'm gonna do the room tour, but I just want to catch a vibe, so I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Bye.